Today, we're making gooey butter cake. If you've ever been to Kura Sushi and had this dish, or are just looking for a sweet treat, then you absolutely must try making this. This might look like a boring old cake, but oh my god, this cake is like a fudge bar had a baby with a cake. It's so good. You gotta try it. It's really easy to make too, and freezes well. So, let's get baking. Start by putting 1 yellow cake mix pack into a bowl. Then add 2 eggs. We'll then add 1 stick of melted butter and mix until the cake is smooth. Then, in an 8-inch pan, we'll carefully spread a thin layer, about a 1/4 inch thick, of this cake mix. The cake will rise a little, so I like to make this a very thin layer when spreading. Use a knife or a spreader. This recipe does make about 2 cakes. We'll repeat for the other cake pan. Now let's make the gooey part. In a separate bowl, add 3½ cups of powdered sugar, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 8 ounces of room temperature softened cream cheese. Mix this all together. Once mixed, it'll form a runny batter. We'll then spread this all over both of our cake pans. This is the gooey layer in our butter cake, and my personal favorite part. Spread this over everything with a knife or spreader, and repeat for both cake pans. We'll then bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 34 minutes or until a toothpick goes in and out cleanly. Once done, let this cool on a rack before cutting. Personally, I think it tastes even better when you let it cool, then refrigerate it, and then eat it. The cake basically firms up a bit and becomes more like a fudge bar, but with cake. And boom, we have gooey butter cake. This literally melts in your mouth with every bite and is such a sweet treat. If you can't eat 2 of these cakes, then be sure to freeze it, and you always can pull out more later. There's that iconic crust on top of the cake, and just the simplicity of this recipe makes it even more delicious. Here are today's ingredients. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.